opened this venue at around 4 a.m. to allow people because of the screening. We expect to host about 22,000 Kenyans who are invited. There are no invitation cards other than the people who will be at the main dais for obvious reasons, but the rest of the people, the 22,000, there are no invitation cards, and I'm taking this opportunity to invite all of us to be here to celebrate the Mashujaa Day. We will have our program starts at around 10. We expect everybody to be seated at 7 a.m. so that we can have our early morning entertainment before the arrival of the VVIP, His Excellency the President. We'll have the usual military parade. We will have a bit of entertainment, and then we'll have speeches. Don't worry, during the day, there is a notice to airmen. The aircrafts will not be passing. So if you had that question, I've answered it. Basically, we were here today to just satisfy ourselves